This noodle salad is perfect any time of the year, but add the spicy miso dressing and it makes the perfect winter lunch. It looks impressive and it's super easy to make. I've got a pan of boiling water here and I'm going to add the noodles and the broccoli and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the noodles are done and the broccoli is warmed through. Drain the noodles and broccoli under cold water to stop the cooking process. We're going to toss the noodles with a little sesame oil to stop them sticking. Now we're going to prepare the dressing. It's really simple, just place everything into a bowl and give it a whisk. We're going to add in white miso paste, olive oil, rice vinegar, lemon juice, honey, crushed garlic and ginger, black pepper and chili flakes. That's the salad dressing done. Now we're going to assemble the salad. In a large bowl, add the noodles and broccoli, tender leafed green cabbage, spiralized carrots and cucumber, a sliced red pepper and chopped fresh coriander. And toss it all together with half the dressing. Now we're ready to plate up and serve. That's my winter noodle salad with miso dressing. Please check out my book, Seriously Good Salads, where you can find the recipe for this and 74 more of my favourite salads, all packed with fresh flavours, loaded with exciting toppings and finished with delicious dressings. Let's smash those preconceptions that salads have to be dull and boring diet food. Please check out the links below for where you can pick up a copy of the book.